Are you ready to kickstart your fitness journey? Welcome, everyone. Power yoga for total beginners is the topic of today's video. An invigorating, dynamic, and empowering practice, power yoga is perfect for those new to yoga or looking to rekindle their fitness routine. I'm your guide, and I'm here to walk you through this practice. Always remember, it's essential to listen to your body and make modifications to any poses as needed. So let's step on the mat and begin our journey. Warm up the body with some sun salutations. As you breathe in, reach your arms up towards the sky, stretching your body from toes to fingertips. With your exhale, dive forward, folding at the hips and cascading your body down towards your mat. Feel your hamstrings and spine lengthen with each breath. Inhale to a halfway lift, straightening your spine and looking forward. Now let's transition into the plank pose. As you exhale, step both feet back, coming into a high plank. Your body should be in a straight line from head to heels. For beginners, it's okay to modify this pose. Lower your knees onto the mat, maintaining that straight line. This modified plank is a great way to build strength as you start your yoga journey. In every pose, remember to move with your breath. This coordination brings harmony to your practice. Engage your core and keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Focus on your breath and stay present in each moment. Our next pose is Warrior One, a foundational pose that builds strength and stability. Let's break it down. Start by stepping your right foot forward between your hands. Then, ground down through the outer edge of your back foot. This is your base. Feel the connection to the earth beneath you. Now reach your arms up overhead, stretching towards the sky. This is your lift. Feel the energy coursing through your body, from your grounded feet to your reaching hands. Next, sink into your front knee. This is your strength. Feel the power in your legs as they support your entire body. Keep your gaze forward, your body open. This is your focus. Feel the calm steadiness in your mind as you hold this pose. Breathe deeply. Inhale and exhale. Feel the strength and stability in your legs. Warrior Y is a pose of power, a testament to your inner strength and resilience. Embrace it. Step back into downward facing dog. As you root your hands into the mat, imagine pushing the ground away from you. Send your hips up and back, creating a triangle with your body. Feel the stretch along the back of your legs as you pedal out your feet, one at a time. This pose is a fantastic way to build strength in your arms and shoulders, while also increasing flexibility in your hamstrings. Now, when you're ready, transition gently into child's pose. This is a comforting resting pose that you can return to at any point during your practice. Bring your knees wide, your big toes to touch, and sink your hips back towards your heels. Stretch your arms out in front of you, and let your forehead rest on the mat. Take a few deep, nourishing breaths here, allowing your body to relax and recharge. Inhale the calm, exhale any tension. Allow your body to relax and recharge in child's pose. Acknowledge the effort you've put in today. It's not about perfection, but progress. As you continue on this exciting fitness journey, remember that yoga is not a destination, but a path of discovery, self-love, and growth. Every pose, every breath, every moment spent on the mat brings you one step closer to your highest self. You're doing great, and I'm thrilled to be part of your journey. Thank you for practicing with me today. Namaste.